What if I told you that right now, at this very moment, you have the power to turn your resolutions into reality? Think about that. It's not just a vague concept or some fleeting hope. It's the truth that many of us overlook as we start the year with great ambition. We've all been there: new year, fresh start, and the energy to achieve things we've always wanted. But somewhere along the way, those resolutions fade. Today we're diving into a philosophy that has not only helped people overcome the odds for thousands of years, but has also empowered them to live with purpose, focus, and resilience. Stoicism is the key. This isn't about blindly enduring difficulty or rejecting your emotions. It's about embracing your inner strength. Stoicism is about recognizing that you already hold the power within you to shape your life into something meaningful. It's about becoming a person who can withstand challenges without losing sight of what truly matters. And that's where it connects with your New Year's resolutions. In our exploration today, we'll discuss 8 Stoic habits that can help transform your aspirations into consistent, lasting success. From the wisdom of ancient Stoics like Marcus Aurelius and Epictetus to the practical applications that guide our daily lives, these habits can help you not just meet your goals, but redefine your entire approach to living. So if you're tired of the cycle of fleeting resolutions, or if you're simply looking for a shift in how you approach your life, stick around. This could be the day that everything changes for you. 1. Align your goals with virtue. Setting. A goal isn't just about drawing up a vague list of wishes. It's about creating a roadmap that aligns with who you truly are and what you ultimately want to become. The Stoics taught that a meaningful life is rooted in virtue, wisdom, courage, justice, and temperance. So before you set a goal, ask yourself, does this goal resonate with my values? Is it in line with the Stoic virtues that guide a life of true fulfillment? For example, if your goal is to improve your fitness, ask yourself, does this align with developing discipline, temperance? Does it reflect your inner strength, courage? These virtues ensure that your goal isn't just an external achievement, but a pathway to becoming a more virtuous person. 2. Embrace the power of small steps. The Stoics were not about massive, dramatic actions that fade away just as quickly as they began. Instead, they understood that true change happens in the smallest of consistent actions. Think about the last time you really made progress in something. Was it the grand gesture that made the difference? Probably not. It was the daily steps you took, no matter how small. So instead of setting an overwhelming resolution, break it down into manageable daily tasks. Whether it's writing a page of a book, meditating for 10 minutes, or reviewing your finances, consistency is key. 3. Develop emotional resilience. One of the core principles of Stoicism is the idea of controlling our reactions to events. Life will inevitably throw challenges at you, but it's not about the external events. It's about how you respond to them. Let's say your resolution is to build a business or focus on a creative project. Along the way, setbacks will happen. You might face rejection, failure, or unforeseen obstacles. The Stoics understood that our power lies in our ability to control our reactions. When things don't go as planned, don't let frustration derail your progress. Instead, treat these moments as opportunities to practice emotional resilience. 4. Build rituals to set the tone for your day. Marcus Aurelius, the Stoic emperor, was known for starting his day with reflection. He would contemplate how to approach the world with virtue and wisdom. This simple habit is incredibly powerful for setting the tone of your day. Take a few minutes each morning to reflect on your goals and set your intentions for the day. What do you want to achieve? How do you want to behave? How will you react when things don't go your way? By starting the day with clear intentions grounded in Stoic principles, you create a sense of purpose and focus that will guide your actions throughout the day. This helps align your daily habits with your larger resolutions. 5. Practice simplicity in your actions. In our fast-paced world, it's easy to get caught up in complexity. We might think that success requires complicated strategies or a multitude of tools, but the Stoics believed in simplicity. If your goal is to improve your health, for example, you don't need to follow the latest fad diet or complicated workout routine. Instead, embrace the Stoic practice of simple living. Choose wholesome foods that nourish your body and make exercise a regular part of your routine without overcomplicating things. Simplicity leads to consistency, and it's consistency that ultimately breeds success. By stripping away the excess, you focus on what truly matters. 6. Practice. Daily reflection. Reflection is a cornerstone of Stoic practice. At the end of each day, take a few moments to reflect on your actions and thoughts. What did you do well today? What could you have done better? Did you react to challenges with wisdom and grace, or did you let your emotions control you? This daily reflection helps reinforce your commitment to growth. It's an opportunity to learn from your mistakes, celebrate your successes, and refine your actions for tomorrow. 7. Cultivate self-discipline. Self-discipline is one of the key pillars of Stoic philosophy. It's about training your mind and body to follow through with your commitments, even when it's difficult. If your New Year's resolution is to save money, for instance, the key to success is self-discipline. Stick to a budget, resist impulse purchases, and make intentional choices that support your goal. The Stoics believed that true freedom comes from mastering yourself, not from indulging every desire. 8. Focus on what you can control. One of the most powerful lessons from Stoic philosophy is the idea that we can only control our actions and reactions. Everything else is outside of our control. If your resolution is to build a career or improve your relationships, remember that you can't control other people's actions or the outcomes of every situation. But you can control how you show up. You can control how you respond to challenges, how you treat others, and how you continue moving forward despite setbacks. When you focus on what you can control, you free yourself from the anxiety and frustration that often accompany resolutions. This mindset shift will help you stay focused on your goals and move forward with confidence. The Stoic way is a way of life, not a one-time effort. The beauty of Stoicism lies in its practical application to daily life. The habits we've discussed aren't just about setting New Year's resolutions. They're about creating a life that is intentional, virtuous, and resilient. As you move through this year, remember, your success is not about a single grand action, but about the small, consistent choices you make each day. Each habit you form, each action you take, is a testament to your commitment, not only to your goals, but to living a life of Stoic wisdom. By integrating these Stoic habits into your daily routines, you will not only achieve your resolutions, but you'll also become a stronger, wiser, and more resilient person. The Stoic way will transform your resolutions into lasting success if you commit to living it every day.